Welcome to Webstyle Plus. If you want to display beautifully styled code snippets in your React app, this tutorial will help you. This is the package that we're going to use, React Syntax Highlighter. Whether you are creating documentation, blogs, tutorials, or interactive coding platforms, instead of manually styling code or relying on clunky solutions, this package makes it super easy to highlight code. It supports a wide variety of programming languages and themes right out of the box. Plus, it's highly customizable. You can style it to match your app's design effortlessly. Let's jump in and see how it works. We'll have to install it by using this command npm I React Syntax Highlighter. Inside the app, use this command. Then import Syntax Highlighter from React Syntax Highlighter. Then we'll have to import style for Syntax Highlighter. So this is style name doco from React Syntax Highlighter, dist esm styles h1gs. And here, this is the code string that we want to highlight. This is the code. And finally, we'll use Syntax Highlighter component. Syntax Highlighter, and inside that we'll use code string. For the Syntax Highlighter, language will be JavaScript and style doco. Let's see. And here is the result. It's currently using a light theme. Let's use a dark theme. So let's import Dracula and use Dracula in style. And here is the dark theme for Syntax Highlighter. Let's change the code. So this is our code. Backticks. And this is some more code in JavaScript. And this is even longer code. So let's change the language. This is CSS code. Language will be CSS. And here's the CSS style highlighting. Let's use some PHP. This is the code string. So language will be PHP. So there are many other code styles that we can use. Let's try LE dark. I like it. It's sharp and crisp. Multicolors. We have got Monokai. Monokai, a popular style. I like it. I like this green. We have got Monokai Sublime. This is also a popular one. Atom One Dark. This is a pleasant theme, not sharp. Gradient Light. Wow. Nice. GitHub. Solarized Light. Light theme. VS 2015. This is also good. Monokai Sublime. This is good. Good looking. Okay, you'll have to import that style and then use that style here. So there are some other cool features as well. For example, you can add line numbers to your highlighted code. To do that, use show line numbers. And here are the line numbers that are displayed now. And you can highlight specific lines by using the line props or highlight prop and passing an array of line numbers. So wrap lines, line props, line number 3, style background color green. Line number 3, background color green. And let's say if we want green color from line 4 to 8, we can do so by changing this. Line number greater than or equal to 4 and smaller or equal to 5. 8. There you go. Now required lines have a different background color. Black. Now they have black background color. You can also customize wrap and control horizontal scroll. If the code is in a single line and it's a lot of code, you can use something like wrap long lines and set it to true. So all of these features make this an amazing code highlighter for React. Let me know in comments if you've got a better option. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.